Lay it on me, understanding the phrase. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our learning channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English phrases. We'll unpack the meaning, use, and history of the phrase, lay it on me. So, get ready to add another expression to your fluency toolkit. At its core, lay it on me is an idiomatic expression used to invite someone to speak freely, to tell the speaker something important or serious, or to present an idea. It's a casual and informal phrase that signifies the speaker's readiness to listen without judgment. This phrase is typically used in informal settings among friends or colleagues. For instance, if someone has news to share, you might say, lay it on me, showing that you're all ears. It can also indicate that you're prepared to hear something negative or heavy, essentially saying, I can handle whatever you're about to say. Let's see how lay it on me can be used in everyday conversations. Friend 1, I've got some news. Friend 2, go ahead, lay it on me. Or in a brainstorming session, team leader, any ideas for our next project? Team member, I've got a few thoughts. Team leader, great, lay it on me. While the exact origin isn't clear, lay it on me belongs to a category of phrases where lay means to present or put forth. It has been part of English vernacular for decades, evolving with the language and retaining its inviting, open-hearted nature. And there you have it. The phrase, lay it on me, demystified. We hope you feel confident using this phrase in your next conversation. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay curious about the language you're learning. Until next time,